When you search for the best polarizing filters for your camera, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really see what makes a difference, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, K&F Concept 55mm Circular Polarizer Filter. Let's kick things off with the K&F Concept 55mm Circular Polarizer Filter. Priced at just $15.99, it caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 2,900 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want stunning color enhancements and reduced glare, this is worth a serious look. The 18 multi-layer coating does a fantastic job of reducing glare, making your photos pop, especially against blue skies and fluffy clouds. Plus, it's made from Japanese AGC glass, ensuring your images retain their natural color. The ultra-slim frame is only 5.3 mm thick, preventing vignetting on wide-angle lenses. With over 100 purchases in the past month, it's clear people are loving it. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it fits snugly and performs brilliantly. It's a minor hassle for major benefits. This is perfect for you if you're a casual photographer looking to elevate your outdoor shots without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a filter for a lens size other than 55mm. At this price, it's a no-brainer. Now, if the size compatibility of that filter concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, K&F Concept 72mm Circular Polarizer Filter. Next up is the K&F Concept 72mm Circular Polarizer Filter. Priced at $17.99, it's another bestseller with the same impressive 4.5-star rating. If you're after vibrant colors and reduced reflections, this one's a strong contender. Why should you consider this? With its 18 multi-layer coating, it helps to saturate colors beautifully, especially when shooting landscapes. The AGC glass ensures no color distortion, and at just 5.3 mm thick, vignetting is virtually a non-issue. Given its popularity, it's clear that many photographers trust its capabilities. However, some users noted that this filter can produce slight color shifts in certain lighting conditions. This is perfect for you if you have a 72mm lens and want to amp up your photography game without spending a fortune. Skip this if you need a filter for a smaller lens size. It's a great investment for quality photos. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more versatile. Product number 3, K&F Concept 58mm Circular Polarizer Filter. Now let's talk about the K&F Concept 58mm Circular Polarizer Filter, also priced at $15.99. With the same stellar 4.5-star rating and over 2,900 reviews, it's hard to ignore its popularity. If you're looking for a great value filter, this one's definitely worth your attention. So what can this filter do for you? Just like the others, it features an 18 multi-layer coating for optimal performance. The AGC glass delivers stunning clarity without altering your image colors. And its ultra-slim 5.3mm profile prevents vignetting on wide-angle shots, making it a reliable choice for varied photography needs. On the downside, some users reported that it can scratch more easily than expected. But honestly, if you take care of your gear, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. Just invest in a lens pouch. This is perfect for you if you have a 58mm lens and want an affordable option to enhance your photography. Skip this if you're looking for a filter that can handle extreme conditions. Value-wise, it's a solid pick. Now, if you want to protect your camera gear while also enhancing your shots, this next product is a must-see. Product number 4, VIOFO CPL Filter for Dash Cams. Next, we have the VIOFO CPL filter, specifically designed for their A229 and A329 S-Series dash cams. Priced at $16.99, it has an impressive 4.6-star rating from 778 reviews. If you want to ensure the best image quality for your dash cam footage, this filter is a great choice. Here's why it's a game changer. The CPL filter reduces glare and reflections from shiny surfaces, which is crucial for capturing clear footage while driving. It also protects your camera lens from fingerprints and scratches, keeping your recordings pristine. This filter enhances color saturation, making your videos look more vibrant and true to life, something you definitely want when capturing important moments on the road. However, a few users mentioned it doesn't fit as tightly as they would like, which might lead to some light leaks. But here's the thing, as long as you're careful during installation, this shouldn't be an issue. This filter is perfect for you if you own a VIOFO cam and want to maximize your video quality. Skip this if you're not using a compatible dash cam. For the price, it's a smart addition to your camera setup. Now, if you're looking for something that combines multiple features into one filter, the next product is exactly what you need. Product number 5. K&F Concept 67 True Color Variable Fader ND and CPL Filter. Finally, we have the K&F Concept 67 True Color Variable Fader ND and CPL Filter, priced at $94.99. With a stellar 4.8-star rating and 698 reviews, you're looking at a premium option here. If you need versatility in one filter, this is a fantastic choice. Why is this filter special? It combines both ND and CPL functions, allowing you to control light entering your lens while also reducing reflections from non-metallic surfaces. The variable ND feature ensures you can adjust the light reduction from ND2 to ND32, which is great for shooting in bright conditions. The AGC optical glass and 28 multi-layer coating make it waterproof and scratch-resistant, ensuring durability and high-definition image quality. But here's the thing, if you want a filter that does it all and enhances your creative control, the investment pays off. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional filter that excels in various shooting conditions. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or don't need both ND and CPL features. All in all, it's worth every penny for serious photographers. So to wrap it up, the K&F Concept models are fantastic for color enhancement and glare reduction, whether you need 55, 72, or 58 options. The VIOFO CPL filter is a must for dash cam users looking to improve video quality. And if you want a versatile option, the K&F 67 filter combines everything you need in one. Each filter has its strengths, so consider your specific needs and choose the one that fits best.